6:17 a.m. and Melissa, Alicia, and I are hiking the Enchantments straight through. We've gone about 1 mile with almost 500 feet of gain. Definitely we're going the right way.
Just be glad to be.
We are 5 miles in and just about to the base of Asgard. It is a beautiful day. So we are getting ready to head up the big steep Asgard Pass. We'll be taking lots of breaks, expecting it'll take us a couple hours. About 5.2 miles at the bottom of Asgard, taking a break before we get ready for our big ascent, and we're currently at 2795. So we are going to slowly make our way up this. Using the hands a lot more scrambling up this section. It's more steep. And we're getting some rock movement. It's getting very windy as we approach the top. So we all brought lots of layers. We have a puffy, we have windbreakers, we have long sleeve shirts, we have t-shirts, gloves, hats.
Don't think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be.
at the top of Asgard. I hope I say that right. And almost 5,000 feet again.
Think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be here. Don't think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be here. Don't think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be here. Don't think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be here. Just be glad to be here.
Annapurna, I believe, is 8450. We have about 700 more feet. Slowly making our way up these boulders. We are 8.2 miles in. We are approaching the top of Little Annapurna. This is a steep walk up.
Think about all those things you feel. Don't think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be here. Don't think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be here. Don't think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be here. Don't think about all those things you feel. Just be glad to be here. Just be glad to be here.
Navigating through the rocks with all the scrambling is really time consuming. And then we did get off just a little bit when we were coming down the boulder sections. So now from Snow Lakes we have about, I'm guessing, 8 to 9 miles. So we've got 2 headlamps each. Okay, we have 6.5 miles left. Brutal, really difficult, really exhausting. One of the most beautifulest hikes I've ever done.